Passwords were never meant to protect billions of accounts. Even with password managers and MFA, hackers keep finding ways in. So what's next? The future is going passwordless, hardware security keys and passkeys. These are tools pros use, and today I'll show you why they're becoming the strongest defenses online. Just a quick context. CISA calls hardware keys and passkeys phishing-resistant MFA. They block entire classes of attacks that passwords and SMS codes can't. And the adoption numbers are real. In 2025, the FIDO Alliance reports over 1 billion passkeys created worldwide, with consumer awareness rising fast. Big tech, Apple, Google, Microsoft, are all pushing this as a future of login. That is why you should care. Hardware keys are small physical devices, USB or near-field communication NFC devices that you plug in or tap to authenticate. Think of them as a house key for your accounts. Hardware keys are small physical devices, USB, near-field communication, NFC devices that you plug in or tap to authenticate. Think of them as a house key for your accounts. Why they work. Even if someone steals your password or tricks you with a fake login page, they still can't authenticate without the physical key. That's what makes them phishing resistant. CISA recommends them as a top-tier defense. A quick note, hardware isn't infallible. NIST's 2025 white paper warns about some supply chain and design risks. But used correctly, these keys are a huge step up from SMS or plain passwords. Passkeys are a software version of hardware keys, but it's easier for most people. Your phone or computer generates a cryptographic key pair and stores it locally. When you sign in, your device signs a challenge. No password is sent over the internet. Why that matters? There's nothing to phish or reuse. In 2025, companies report huge adoption. Over 1 billion passkeys created. 75% of consumers recognize the idea, and many enterprises are deploying them. Microsoft, Google, and Apple have already added passkeys to major services. Passkeys also pair with biometrics like Face ID or Windows Hello, which make them both secure and convenient. This is where it gets exciting. The passwordless future combines biometrics, hardware keys, and cryptography into one smooth experience. Face ID or fingerprint unlocks your local passkey, which proves your identity securely. No passwords, no reuse, and nothing for hackers to steal. In 2025, that's the direction security is heading. Authentication that's invisible, personal, and built right into the devices we already use. Passwords are fading fast, and that's a good thing. Biometrics verify you, hardware keys protect your most critical logins, and passkeys make it effortless. Together they form a defense that's strong, seamless, and built for the modern internet. In the next video, How Attackers Stay Hidden, the world of persistence and evasion, I'll share how attackers hide in systems, stay for months, and how you can hunt them down. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.